Hey guys, Paminda here for Smart Tech Reviews. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to review this product over here, which I got it from Kogan. Um, it's a combo keyboard and mouse, which is specifically designed for gaming. As you can see, the series called GK9 RGB. So when I say RGB, that means it comes with uh, you know um, RGB LED lights, both in keyboard and the mouse. So let's quickly dive into the boxes and see what comes with it. So as you can see, that's a nice little box over here. I'm just gonna put it on the side. So this one over here, as you can see, it's just a normal box, but when you open it, there is a magnetic sort of cover over here. When you open it, you can see there is the mouse is inside, and it just says Kogan.com. And when I open it, I'm just going to open it. So it comes with the user manual and the mouse itself, and just a small packaging, mouse itself. Just gonna put it on the side, and here we go. Underneath the mouse, it just says Kogan GM9. So what I can see over here is the keyboard and the mouse. It says GK9, but this one over here says GM9 RGB. Don't know what the difference is, but you got some buttons over here. Um, Nice feel to the buttons, scroll wheel as well, and then we got some buttons over here. It says, I don't know whether it's next or back, or but then here it says it's the fire button. You can see there is some nice strips over here, which LEDs will be glowing through it, and there's a nice logo over here. So that's for the mouse. I'm just gonna put everything on the side, and then we're gonna see what's in the keyboard as well. Okay, yeah, so this user manual over here, it's just a user manual, says GM9 6400 DPI gaming mouse, quick start guide, just a one-page guide over here. It says specifications, cable length is 1.5 meter, and resolution it can go up to 6400 DPI. It's plug and play. So this is actually was designed for Windows, from Windows 2000 to Windows 10, so that's good. So a couple of things over here, like buttons. It says fire button, scroll wheel, right, and the underneath these two buttons which we have over here, these two buttons over here, I think this one over here is for LED mode switch. It says 6 modes, and this one over here is for changing the DPI. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything on the side, and I'm just gonna see what's inside the keyboard as well. So that's the keyboard box, GK9 series. Just gonna open it, and here we go. That's the keyboard itself. As you can see, it's a quite sturdy keyboard and a bit heavy as well, so you won't be able to move it that easily. And I can see there are some light panels over here, and it says backlit LED, so we will see logo over there on the back side. Just quick stand series and nothing much. So I'm just gonna put this on the side, and inside the box we have the specification guide, quick start guide. So there are a lot of functions over here. It says that if you press function plus F1, music player will start, and then volume up and down. F function F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, or up to F11 and F12. Okay, now let's have a look at the LED ones. So here we go. So there's an LED button on that, on the keyboard itself, and when you press that, it says turn on and off. And then when you press function plus the LED light button, it says LED light changing breath mode. So it will change different functions of the LED. Functions plus page up will be the LED light will go lighter, and then the page down will go darker. So that's just in there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug it in, both of them, into my PC, and then I'll see how they look like. So that's the USB mouse. Okay, and the keyboard as well. I'm just gonna bring the keyboard over here. Okay, so that's the keyboard and the mouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug them in straight away into my PC, and then we'll see how they look like. Um, so here we go. Just gonna plug in the keyboard first. Here we go. Plugging in the keyboard now, and it is plug and play, so it shouldn't be a problem. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just gonna make it a bit darker over here so that you guys can see the LED lights. Look at that. Look at that. Fantastic. I'm just gonna turn on plug in the mouse as well so that you guys. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so the mouse has a logo which glows. The keyboard logo doesn't glow. So I'm just going to play around with some settings now over here. So as you can see, this button over here is for the LED light. So the quick guide which I had for the keyboard, I'm just going to bring it back with me. Okay, so according to the quick guide, it says so that's the on and off button. And then it says function and this together, so I press function and this. Oh, here we go. So that's that's nice. That's one function and two. Okay, so looks like it only had two functions. Either it stays on and it just glows and goes dim and glows again. Okay, and then if I want to make the LED light lighter and darker, so it says function and page up and down. So it's gonna function and page up. So that's all the way bright. And if I go down, here we go. So it goes up and down. So that's the maximum, and that's off. So that's the minimum. 1, 2, 3. That's it. So that's maximum. 1 down, 2 down, and then offs. Here we go. So that's the keyboard. Looks nice, to be honest, and it has nice palm rest as well. So if you want to, it's quite good. Looks very nice. It's not a mechanical keyboard, but again, the keys are alright. Bit noisy, but again, the LED light effect is good. It's not backlit. It says backlit, but the keys are actually not backlit. It's just an LED light layer underneath the keys itself. So basically, when you are playing it, you're using this in the dark, you might have trouble locating the key as well, because it's not backlit. It just has a layer of the LEDs underneath the keys. That's it. Okay, so looking at the mouse now. So as I say, the mouse is good. I mean, I actually like the mouse better than the keyboard. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring the user manual for the mouse as well. So for mouse, it says the button over here is for LED. This one over here is for changing the LED mode. So let's press one thing. Okay, so it changes the color. So I'm just gonna hold it this way so that you can see through the icon as well when it changes the color. And I'm gonna press it one more. It says 6 modes. So that's a 1. That's 2. So as you can see over here, the LED just goes around, and that's good. Okay, so gonna press it again. There we go. So it just goes down and up and down and up. Okay, that's good. Just gonna press it one more time. There we go. Just a bit different. Okay, one more time. and it off. One more time, because that's on. So that stays green, and oh no, it's changing the color, but it is green. It stays green, but it just glows in green, I think. Yeah, here we go, glows in green, and then I press it again. Now it is RGB. As you can see, yeah, it changes color, but it's RGB now. As you can see over here, it looks nice, but to be honest, yeah. One more time. More into, so it just changes all the way, changes the color all the way. Yeah, all the way. So all of them has same color, but it changes. And I press again. See, it glows and it goes. It follows a path. That's nice. This one is good as well, eh? If you look at this one, yeah, it goes. So it goes in a circle. But I think I like this one over here. This one, because it goes up and down, eh? Not this one. The other one. No, turns off. There's one which goes up and down. Not this one. I think that's the one. Yeah, this is nice. And the logo over here glows as well. It's just in one color, but still better than the keyboard. The keyboard logo doesn't glow at all. Maybe the product which are the product which I have, they might be faulty, should glow over there as well. But anyway, this one glows. It's a nice touch, as you can see over here. And fire button, next and back, forward or backwards. Nice. The wheel is quite good as well, and this button over here is changing the DPI, so that means the mouse pointer, how fast you want to move the mouse pointer as well. So when you press it once, I think it would be at the normal speed right now. When I press it, it will be faster. Press it again, it will be much more faster. The maximum it can go is 6400 DPI according to the user manual. So that's guide. Thank you very much for watching this video. So that was a quick tour and unboxing of what's in this box. Combo gaming keyboard and mouse. And what I'll do is I'll make some more video about how it performs in the actual gaming, what's the DPI look like, and is there any other feature as well which I am not aware of it right now. But thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon as well, and please do not forget to render your comment as well in the comment section down below. It really helps me in making my future video as well. Thank you very much. You guys have a good day, and till next time, take care. Bye bye.